What's up, guys? Rich the Urban Hunter here, out with the gang at Mulberry Pheasant Farm here. New place, they're running a special on some birds. Got a $1 bet for the first one, so we're gonna jump right in here. Brought the new gun out.
Find it.
Ducks Unlimited, Benelli Montefeltro. Don't know what it is. Got a good deal on it. It's a super light gun though. It's a feather light, something like that. And it's inertia instead of gas. So not super familiar with this. We'll see how it shoots. Oh, look at that low point.
Find it.
Look at that.
Find it. Where's that?
Why is she so low?
Find it, Aspen.
She's so low.
It's right there. It has to be right in here.
Find it. Find it.
It's right there.
Move.
Another bill. Give it.
Hey. Look. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Drop. Drop. Good girl. I forgot to just go ahead and let it rip on the first one because we had $1. I was like, I'll let him get 10 more feet.
Excuses. You were just talking about it.
All right, let's
I didn't want to shoot it at 5
They
feet.
planted on this left side too. Okay.
Just go down.
Yeah, there's definitely a couple birds in this bottom grass.
Yeah. Find it. Go.
Hey, find it. Find it.
Go.
Find it.
Find bird.
Might be right in there. Oh, good girl, good girl.
Ooh.
It's in there.
Yep. Is it running? Let go. Let go.
Oh, they're on it. They're on it.
They're on it. Hey, let go.
I'll kick it. Watch out. Rooster. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Shoot left. Go find him. Oh, he's about to go.
Oh, I smacked it.
He flew back up into the thing. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl.
Aspen, find that bird. Find it.
Okay, so this is the end of our field.
Yeah. So we can push down this way and then start to push back. I would think.
I have to feel like we missed something along here,
Yeah, but I
but
feel like we pushed that way, but close. You know what I mean? And kind of pick up those woods again.
okay.
Find it. Or do you want to push this?
We can always, let's just push this out and then they can put more birds out or whatever when we're back. That's why hunting with a dog like increases your efficiency by like 1,000%.
Oh, we wouldn't have seen anyone yet.
That's true.
I mean, we got the one in the tree, but
yeah, that's it. Go. Aspen, come. Come on.
Stay.
Bring here.
Stay.
Bring here.
Stay.
Bring here. Oh, Aspen's in the mound. Oh, don't shoot, don't shoot. No bird.
Come.
No bird.
Aspen, come. Come on.
I would have shot all 3 of your dogs.
Wow, that bird kept going.
Yeah. They just carry with that wind.
Well, that's where. This is where the other one came out.
Okay.
There's one in here. One in here. Okay, let's aim right there.
Do it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's still alive.
No, not now. Bring it.
Ground walking away. Go find it, Arlo. The rooster. Where? He just caught the long.
Oh, he started running. The rooster running.
Yep.
Bring it.
Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you shoot?
Yeah, I did.
We shot the exact same time. Yeah, I couldn't tell what you got it. I think 5 more so far.
So theoretically 5 more.
Is that another one right there? Or is that
I think
the
that's
one
where he came
that's-
from. We can check it though.
We should focus in on that grass.
Yeah. We also didn't flush anything on the outside of the field, so I was gonna say maybe we put Aspen on the right side of the path here since she's got the nose of the day. Seems like. Yeah, she's looking extra birdie. Where's that, Sage?
Aspen, find it.
Where's that bird?
That mound right there.
Oh my God, that bird got shot 3 times. Well, who's dibs on this one? It got shot 3 times.
It's all community, so.
Where's that bird?
How far the wind, how hard the wind.
Where's that bird, Arlo? Where's it at? Where's it at? Find it.
Aspen! Aspen, come!
I'll give you a little bonus today. Go find him.
Spin around bad. Aspen!
Oh,
What is it, Aspen?
that was a hard turn.
It's up here.
There's definitely somewhere over here.
I think it was like, must have been a gust of wind and she got, because she was hard locked up.
Yeah. Come here. Find it. Come on, find it. Come here. Oh! Zoom in on her if you can. Where's it at? Right here. Right here. Drop. It acted like it was already dead, kind of.
Did you see her like?
Or maybe Arlo crushed it. I don't know. I think there's a mound up there, but I think that's where Arlo pulled one out of. Oh, hold on. Get that bird, get it! Come here, buddy! Good girl. Drop it.
Smell it? Something in there? Is it in there? There's some in there?
What's that tail wag? Get around.
All right. Is it just sitting here? Oh, see, she sees it.
Oh, geez.
Oh my lord!
I'm not
Wait. Hey! That's our rooster. Good job, Arlo.
It was walking completely flat.
She was right behind it.
Oh, was he?
Yeah,
He was invisible.
Yeah, I didn't see it.
I could have sent that wad
Bush right there.
Yeah,
right through his chest at the beginning there.
he gave us a thumbs up out the window.
okay.
I tried to wave.
I gave him a thumbs up at first.
I was just waiting. The thing was like 4 feet in front of my barrel.
Dude, it almost flew into my barrel.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
It might be down. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Hey, baby.
What is it?
Oh.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Yep.
You all right?
Yep.
Found them all?
We pretty close. Yeah.
Well, we saw about 3 or 4 of them fly away.
Yeah. We did have a shot about 3 of them, so under there.
Okay, no problem.
That's a good doggy.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the future. I wanted a little bit of time to kind of process my review of Mulberry Pheasantry. They had pros and cons. I would say that, you know, if you're local and you just want to kill some birds, that's a good spot to go. Maybe the best spot to go, I guess. If you're looking for like an enjoyable hunt, I probably wouldn't recommend going there. They have the cheapest birds, like I say, which is a plus. I think it was like 16 or 17 bucks. Everyone out there was very friendly, I will say. They also want you to make sure that you kill all the birds, so they like shake them up a lot. And you were seeing that they really didn't want to flush on the video, and that was the reason why. So we ended up getting a lot of close shots, and the dogs retrieved a couple birds as well, which didn't lead to a super enjoyable hunt. We also probably missed a couple birds for that reason, because they wouldn't flush and we just walked right past them. And most importantly, they have a lot of fields available, but they're like pretty much just crop fields. So as you can see, pretty much 2/3 of the field, maybe 3/4 of that field, was just a chopped down corn field, and the rest was like some not that long grass. I asked them about this. They have another field that's like mostly grass, but to me it seemed like kind of a money grab to just call it pheasant hunting and just buy pheasants and shake them up and toss them into some corn fields for you guys to walk around and hunt. Everyone out there was friendly, but it just seemed like a money grab, throwing people into your crop fields after you harvested your crops and calling it pheasant hunting, just trying to supplement your income there. Go out there if it's your first hunt, have some fun, enjoy yourself, and thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it and giving it a subscribe. Let me know what you think if you've been there, or if you have any other questions, I'll answer them in the comment section. Thanks, guys. See ya.